Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Sadia. I have completed 10 days session of soft skill enhancement course. I wanna share my experience to all of you. Soft skill enhancement course is basically a training course self-designed by Yasin Shakir Adv. It is combination of different skills like speaking skills, writing skills, and emotional intelligence. I joined this course because I want to enhance my skills, especially English speaking skills. Here I spent 10 days. Every day was a challenging day to me. We learned different skills in a different way. All learning was very smooth. We gradually learned day by day. Moreover, if I am to talk about the training center, environment of training center was so friendly. Every participant of this center was free to express his or her ideas and share his or her feelings without any discriminations. Furthermore, here I enjoyed a lot, especially daily based refreshment and stationery. As my course is going to be end, so I am sad because I miss my fellows, my friends, my beloved trainer and all administrative staff. But on the other hand, I am happy because here I learned those things, those skills which I never learned before. I want to salute to my trainer Yasin Shakir, who played his role very well. May Allah bless him more and more. In the end, I would like to invite all of those people who want to improve their skills, enhance their skills. They should invest and join this course because self-investment is the best investment, and without soft skills, life gives hard time. I assure you people, this course will bring positive changes not only for a single person but society as a whole. Thank you so much for listening me, for supporting me. Keep smiling, stay blessed. Allah.